Hello po.
Hello! Hello, ladies.
Hello po.
Okay. No, mahihain talaga kayo dalawa. Have a seat. Upo muna kayo. Ipinagpares ko kayong pareho kasi mapuso kasi kayong kumanta. Very, very different yung atake ninyo. But there's so much heart when you sing. So, there's a challenge naman here. Who of you, kaninong puso kaya yung magiging matingkad? Kaninong boses kaya yung magtatagumpay sa battle rounds na to? So, I chose an oldie but a goodie. But it's really not that old. And everything old, sabi nga, there's this one song called Everything Old is New Again. So I'm picking a new version of an old song for the two of you. Sana bukas pa ang kahapon. We're using the Angeline Quinto version. There's a Culadesma version. There's an Anthony Castello version. But we're using Angge for this one. Talagang pinahirapan niya yata yung sarili niya sa pagkanta niya nito. So I've heard 3 different versions of this song. The older versions are more cool, more relaxed, mas very 80s. Parang ganun talaga yung pagkanta ng mga artists. Now, it's a different story. Now, may buwis buhay element. Sa pagkanta, especially with people like Angeline, na siguro lagpas kisame yung boses niya when she sings. Lagpas bubong. So, for this, you have to use, your heart is gonna be the one. Kung yun talaga yung magli-lead sa inyo, sa kanta. We'll see who's the smarter singer is gonna be, who's gonna sound bagay with this song. So let's see what's gonna happen. Please stand up and I'd like to hear this. I've kind of been waiting for this. Actually, I've been waiting for all of 7 of these battles, but I'm waiting for this one.
Kung sana'y darating pa lang ang sa akin nagdaan, di ako mabibigla at mapaghahandaan. Kabiguan, kasawian, sana'y di akin ngayon. Sana bukas pa ang kahapon. Sana'y maiiwasan ko ang tayo'y magkalapit, kung alam kong luha lang ang magiging kapalit. Akala kong pagmamahal, bakit pa nagkaganon? Sana bukas pa, sana bukas pa ang kahapon. Kung may babalik ko lang ang kamay ng orasan, ang lahat may lunas pa. Kung ang iyong kahapon sana'y bukas pa. Ang pagsisisi nga naman, laging sana kung huli ang mangyayari pa lang, di natin alam kasi, dahil di natin hawak ang pagtakbo ng panahon. Sana bukas pa, sana bukas pa.
beautiful. That was, yes, we have people in here applauding already, and it's not even yung ano. So, here's a little tidbit for you. Yung nag-areglo nito, siya rin yung nag-areglo, I think, the other versions of this song. So, we asked him to do this for us. So, it's Homer Flores who did yung kay Angge, and I think he also did yung kay Ku. So, sorry Homer, we're making you do this song again. But yeah, I really have very little to say. But right now, piano lang, so it's very relaxed. Once it's performance, it's a whole, yung buwis buhay element has to come into play here, and we're gonna need the both of you to be belting your heads off when it counts. Not naman for the whole song, kasi nakakaumay din pag sobra. But you both are beautiful singers.
Thank you po.
Truly, it's such a privilege to hear people like you sing. It makes me so happy that we have a show like this, that we can find people like you. So yeah, I mean, this is a song about, parang it's like, sana bukas pa ang kahapon. It's like it's a song about regret. Parang it's a song about hindsight. It's a song about, kung alam ko lang na ganito ang mangyayari, sana I could have prepared for this. I could have done it differently. So that, yun talagang kailangan mag-drive ng emotion. Yeah, that's what's going to drive this. So yeah, I can't wait to hear this in band rehearsal today. I'm looking forward to this. But thank you. That is gorgeous. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Super nice. Super nice.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.